This is Ian, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. I've been testing out Gemini and Google Sheets, and I want to show you what it can do because I'm pretty amazed. So Google Sheets, of course, is the spreadsheet program from Google. Google Gemini is the AI chatbot. It's quite powerful on its own, but recently they basically included Gemini inside of Google Sheets if you have a paid version of Google Sheets, and I do through Workspace. So basically what I want it to do is something I do every time I have a spreadsheet like this. And you'll notice at the bottom, there's several rows that have GBP, CAD, Euro, CAD, AUD. These are all currencies for other countries. And basically what I need to do is I need to convert the currency to whatever the US dollar or any other currency for that matter. So usually this would take a little bit of work, like a couple minutes of work to drop the formulas. But basically what I want it to do, Gemini to do, is to create a new column that shows the gross sales minus refunds in US dollars for other currencies, convert the values to USD. So it's actually doing two things. It's basically subtracting the refunds, if there are any, and then it's converting the values to US dollars if they're not US dollars already. So when I put this in, it took about a minute or two for it to kind of come up with the plan. So this is one thing you should understand. It takes a little bit of time to do some things, especially anything that's mildly complex. So you might want to kind of work on something else and then come back to it later if it's especially complex. But then it says what it's going to do. Create a new column to calculate net sales in USD utilizing the Google Finance function for real-time currency conversion. Okay, so that's good. And then there's some applying conversion logic. So you can see it came up with this formula. Now, yes, maybe I could have researched this formula and done it myself, but it's much better that kind of Gemini takes care of that work for me. Just a huge time saver. What else is it going to say? Formatting and verification. So it's going to format the range S3, S42 as currency, visually verify the newly added column. So I actually recommend when you're doing this to check out to see what it's doing just to make sure the logic's okay. One thing that's giving me a little bit of pause, I think I specified gross sales, but actually it says it's going to do net sales. So I'm kind of curious what will happen. So let's see what happens when I approve it. So it's thinking about it, collecting info. And in theory, this particular formula shouldn't take that long for it to go through, but you can see it's actually taking, more than 20 or 30 seconds to actually figure this out. So it's implementing the plan. And I expect actually over time that Gemini will become much faster, especially for things that aren't really that difficult. I mean, this is mildly complex, but it's not something very difficult, as many experienced users of Google Sheets will be able to tell you. So it's going through and implementing the plan. It's thinking about it. And actually, maybe what we can do, just kind of off the top of our heads. Oh, all right. It came up with the plan. So I'm going to move this over a little bit so we can see column S. All right. So for instance, on these columns, this is all US dollar. I can see that it got the correct values there, which is basically the same as the gross sales. This is a column. This is a cell where there was a refund, so it actually reflects that as a negative $6.99, which is correct. So let's go down to to British pounds. So $2.99 in British pounds, I think, is around $4 US. Yeah, look at that. It got it. That's really good. Okay, euros should be a little bit more. So if this is $13.68, this should be about $14, or maybe more, $15.75. Now Canadian dollars are worth less, $5.99 for it. This actually kind of passes the smell test here. This looks like they did it right. And for me, I have to go through these spreadsheets, every month or two for QuickBooks. And I can see this really saving me a lot of time. So I'm very impressed with what I'm seeing here so far. It's using the Gemini feature in Google Sheets. You may need to have a paid version of Google Sheets to try this out. So when I say paid version, I mean it's a Google Workspace account or Google Education account, or you've upgraded to Google One. But I'm very impressed with what I'm seeing so far, and I think you will be too. Be sure to verify what it's doing. Just do a couple checks to make sure it's doing the right thing. But I'm pretty confident that for this particular exercise, it did it right. If you have any comments, just leave them below.